yung argument ng isa sa ilan sa mga DDS trolls, no? Na sinasabing dapat DFA lang ang nagsasalita pagdating sa issue ng West Philippine Sea. Kasi diplomatic concern yan. No? Let me also take this opportunity to explain, no? Why under this administration, why we decided to allow the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Admiral Trinidad, and me as Coast Guard personnel to be one of the spokesperson to talk about the West Philippine Sea. Dahil naniniwala ang ating Secretary of National, our National Security Advisor, Jai Eduardo Anyo, that it is important for us to have many voices but with one message. Try to think of it. Kung merong insidente mangyayari at sundin natin yung advice ng mga ilang mga trolls na to, na hindi, DFA lang dapat magsalita dyan. Kung DFA magsasalita ng isang insidente or isang operation that was conducted by the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine Coast Guard, definitely he or she would miss the details of that incident. And secondly, the Department of Foreign Affairs are composed of diplomats. Lagi kong iniisip, how would we be able to say diplomatically na binangga tayo at winatercanon tayo ng China? Diba? And that would be a second-hand information. Ang sasabihin na nila, allegedly na ba? Diba? These are technicalities na paano malalaman, right? But on the part of the Coast Guard and the Armed Forces of the Philippines, we are here to provide clarity sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino. As to whatever incident that transpired, basta't may kinalaman sa Coast Guard, basta't may kinalaman sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, we can explain thoroughly in full detail kung ano nangyari sa bawat insidente. But we should also understand na ang pagiging spokesperson namin, the obligation and responsibility of sharing the right information only falls on our shoulders. Obligasyon nating lahat to bilang Pilipino. Kaya sinabi ko kanina, sir, no? Ang issue natin sa West Philippine Sea, ang pinakamalaking difficulty natin is always fake news and misinformation. So, it is our obligation, it is our patriotic duty, lahat tayo. Siguraduhin natin ang bawat i-click, i-share, at ang sasabihin natin sa ating mga kabataang Pilipino, sa mga matandang kasama natin sa bahay, ay mga tamang impormasyon.